Yes, nah man, welcome back to another video. I don't know, this is the boy Nigel. We're out here like every day, we're out here like now. So today people, we received this package from TST Ebike. So right here, we have an e-bike. You know, long want an e-bike peeps. And this company reached out to me and send this package for me to review. So we are going to pull it out of the box, set it up and test it out and tell you how you can purchase it. So all of the information I got down in the description. So if you want one of these bikes, you can check out the description. So I got both of them things here. Banging. Watch the next one. Woohoo! Oh, yeah. Look at this. Look at this, peeps, look in there. Oh my gosh. Yo, big up TST for this e-bike, peeps. Yo, now this look like the seat. You don't know, so me have a big chopper nearby. So we're gonna cut this off. See it at the seat. Oh yeah, look at it, and it feels soft. You can look. Yeah, it have a whole heap of cushion, so when you sit on it, it's gonna be comfortable. Yeah man. Alright, so I'm gonna take out the rest of it out of the box. Cut that down. I'm gonna cut down that one there. Yeah. Easy like that. Look at it. Easy does it. Alright peeps, so we get it out of the box. We get off all of the foam protection with the dip on it. So right now we are gonna try set it up, but I not see no tool as yet. But one day if they in that box here, and I not see no manual as yet. So I'm gonna pull the box here and check and see if I in here them there. Draw for the big chopper again. I hope I in here them there now, because the breeze is very strong. Get it open. You can see what is in here. Oh. Alright, so we get two pedal with it as well. I don't know, say it's an e-bike. So it's like a bicycle, so probably if your battery dead, you can pedal. So these are some good bike pedal. So them have all the grip them on it and thing. Yeah. These are the charger. See all of the information right there. Yeah. So these are the charging, the charge of the bike. Alright, we get tool. Yeah. We get some spanner. Yeah. We get some all-in keys. So if you don't have any tool, it come with tool, easy to set up. The bike come already set up. It's just like the front wheel and the seats them need to put on it. Alright. So we're gonna get it set up. Let's go see what else there in the back. All of the bolts them. Look at it. And the most important part, the manual. So if you don't know how to set it up, this is the manual right here. So what me I gonna do, me I gonna just run through the manual quick and set it up quick and let you guys see it quick. Easy setup. Right? So we're gonna set it up right away just by looking at the manual. Alright? So let's do it. So what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna put on the stand them first. I'm gonna put on the stand, then I'm gonna put on the wheel, the front wheel, and then I'm gonna tighten up the angle. Alright? So the reason why I put on the stand first, so I can put the bicycle so it can stand up. So Ebike can stand up so I can work on it more easier. Alright? So let's get the stand on. I think it go right under here, so it's just like a motorbike. And it come with the Allen key them, so you have to find the right one. That's not the right one. I think it's one of these bigger ones. Yeah, this one is the right one. So let's get it on. And look at it now, we put it on. Look how we are going to kick down the bike stand. Bam. Just like that. Look at that. As a bike man. Right, so we're going to chew on the front wheel. Matter of fact, we are put on the angle before the front. Alright, so we're putting the angle now. So we're just tightening it up. And how you know say handle center? So they have a marking right here in the front of it. Look right here, so right here, X mark the spot, which this is a X with a circle. We put on the stand and we put on the angle. So now we are going to put on the front wheel. So this is axle. We go inside of the front wheel itself. So we have to just screw it off. As I said, the tool them come with it. Just like that. And put it in. This now for go back on it. You get me? So them here now, you just put on them here back. Bam. Washers, then you put on the wheel. So the 15 spanner, that's the one tightening it. Babes, it's a big bike. So with this bike, you know, I'm not done set it up as yet, but it feels comfortable. I sit on the seat a while ago. The seat that come with it. This seat, look at the cushion. It's not bony, it's full of cushion. So I'm going to put on the pedal. So this bike, it can carry up to one adult and about 2 kids. The kids then would have sit on the back here. So the bike here, it can carry up to about 330 pounds. Alright? So if you know your weight over 330 pounds, yeah, you probably still can go on it, but it will take you somewhere. But about that it can weigh 330 pounds. Alright, so it's very big, it's nice. So we are get it finished set up. So we are putting the peg them in it, and then we are gonna put on the seat, and then we are gonna start it up and go for your test ride. Alright, so and remember people, if you guys want to purchase this bike, this link in the description. Use the discount code NIGELYAHMANTV. Alright? Everything down in the description. So big up TST again for this wonderful electric bike. So you have right and you have left. Easy as that. So if you know your left from your right, and this way me have to know my left from my right. Now, this is my left hand, this is my right hand. So, don't judge me. So we're gonna put them in. So first when you put them in, you use your hand. You don't use the spanner first. You use your hand to screw it in so it don't cross thread. Put on the spanner, make you guys see I'm not using the spanner. So you use your hand to feel it like that. So you go in, nice and easy. And then you use the spanner to tighten it. Just like that. Right, so may I get the next one in? So now go and watch it process. So we don't set up the back seat already. So this back seat is like if you have kids. Alright, so you can bring your kids them on it as well. If you want to bring adult, you have to remove back the bar. Or you can carry stuff, load on it as well. Right, so we're going to put it on like here. So these bolts is already on it. So we are going to unscrew them here. And then tighten on this on it. So it's going to be like something like this. Right? One TST e-bike. No other. Them have the best bike. You can't get it nowhere else. Yes, people, we done set up the bike now. So right now, what me gonna do right now, me gonna do some testing of it. I gonna test ride it and show you guys how it works. Alright, we get one key with it. Hold on, I'm gonna try and find out which part of the key then. What am I do? Last the key? No, I'm not last it. It's there right in my pocket. At first, this is the key. You get two keys with it. At first, I didn't think the key started. But when you put the key in here, so you pull it, the key remove the battery. Alright? So this is how the battery is. You get me? You can press here to see how much the battery is. So when it's at the full green, you know say it's full charge. Alright? So you put in back the battery, you have to make sure say line up with these, you know. Because you don't want to destroy them. So we fit it back in and clamp it. Right, so when you're charging it, this is where you would have plug the charger in. Alright? There some. Right, so how you turn on the bike now, not by the key. So this is the power button, you press and hold and let go. Alright, so these volume up, volume down, volume up, volume down. So this is what it does: 1 speed, 2 speed, 3 speed, 4 speed, 5 speed. So this bike come with 5 speed. What if your battery die on the road while you're riding? You can use the manual. So the manual part, gear shifter, it come with 7 speed. Which when we mean manual, you pedal. Alright, pedal like that. And that have 7 speed. Alright? So how you get the bike to go now, so we're gonna show you a simple test of it. So it's in 1 gear. So we're gonna put it in 1 speed. This right here, this is the gas lever. So we're gonna spin it, press it. So it's in 1 speed. And when it's going, it tells you how many miles you're going. So this is going 8 miles. Up the speed, 2 speed, 9, 10 miles, 11 miles. Up the speed. So when you keep on up the speed, the faster the bike goes. Alright? So this bike, it can go up to 19 speed. That's pretty fast. 19 miles, sorry. So that's pretty fast, alright? Gear down back. Gear down. So it also comes with headlight. So this is the part to turn on headlight. So you press it and hold it down. You can see the light up here. The light is on. Sorry for the blinking of the camera. And down here, this is where the headlight is. The headlight on. So now I'm going to turn it off. Look and see. Press and hold. It's off. Now I'm going to give it a test ride and let you guys see it. But before I give it a test ride, there's two ways you can know how many battery health you have. Right here on the screen, these lights are your battery right here. But what if you don't want to use that? You can connect with your phone, an Apple phone or a Samsung phone. What you're going to download, you're going to go on your Apple Store or Google Play Store and you download TST Ebike. Alright, so when you open it and sign up and connect your bike, so you have your battery health 100%, the total road time and the mileage and all of those things right here. So you can track everything. So you can connect it to a Bluetooth. So we're gonna connect it up to it. 1 second. Alright, so we're connected now. So you have the battery health, and these are all the information that you will get when you're connected. Alright, so now we are gonna get a test ride. Let you guys see. I'm gonna put my son on the back of it as well. So let's give it a ride. So first gear. Yes, yo, babes, it's bad. I'm soon checking back.
Like and subscribe.
Second, go in. Third, go in. We're in 5th speed now. Give it a test ride. It's really nice. So remember, if you guys want to purchase one of these bikes, so it's tstebike.com. Alright, so the link information down in the description. So if you guys want, you can use the code NIGELYAHMANTV. All of the information down in the description. So I want to check them out and get one of these bikes. It's really nice, it's really handy. E-bike are the best thing. So get one of the TST Ebike. You won't regret it. Look at it. I want to say one love to TST Ebike for sending this wonderful bike to me. I'm really grateful. Could do a review on it and test it out. So more you guys look out for more collaboration with me and TST Ebike. Alright? One love. Remember, as a bike man, we out here without fear. Believe. You on?
Yeah.
Wave to the camera, boy.
Subscribe.